The ultimate Patagonia Granite Crest review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're considering outdoor gear, most people get this wrong by choosing looks over durability. The surprising truth about the Patagonia Granite Crest jacket is that it combines premium materials, weather protection, and sustainable manufacturing, making it a top choice for hikers, campers, and everyday wear. First, examine the material. You won't believe how advanced the fabric is. It's designed to be windproof, water-resistant, and breathable. This ensures comfort and protection in changing weather conditions. Next, check the fit and features. Most people get this wrong by ignoring pocket placement, hood adjustments, and ventilation. The Granite Crest comes with adjustable cuffs, a hood that fits over helmets, and multiple secure pockets for essentials. Consider sustainability. The surprising truth is Patagonia uses recycled materials and ethical manufacturing practices. By choosing this jacket, you support environmentally conscious production without sacrificing performance. Finally, rate user reviews. You won't believe how many hikers and travelers praise the jacket for durability, warmth, and practicality. Real-world feedback confirms its long-term value, making it a reliable investment. In conclusion, the Patagonia Granite Crest jacket can take you from zero to pro in outdoor gear selection. By focusing on material, fit, sustainability, and user feedback, you'll enjoy protection, style, and peace of mind on every adventure. Quality and responsibility truly go hand in hand.